Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Farhat Ali and you are watching Dr. Square. If you are looking for an AI tool that could help you to write introduction, literature review of your dissertation, thesis or research paper within no time, then there is a website for you. And the name of this AI tool is answerthis.io. You just have to simply write your research questions on answerthis.io and it will provide you the whole literature and introduction within a short span of time. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into this website. If you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe the channel, share this video, like this video. So let's start. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to type answerthis.io on the Google Chrome and you have to press the enter button. At the top right corner, you will see two options. One is sign in option and the second one is sign up option. If you have already an account on this website, you can go for the sign in option. And if you want to make an account and you want to use the free trial on this website, you can go for the sign up option. There is just a simple step to get an account on this website. Click on this sign up option and you will see it will ask you your name, email ID and password. And if you do not want to provide this thing, you can simply go to your Google account and you can sign in through your Google Gmail account. And I'm going back and I'm going to sign in here because I have already an account here on this website. So here is my email ID and then I'm going to mention my password here. Click the sign in button. This is the layout of the website. If you go to the left side and you will see new option. If you want to type your research questions on this website, you have to go for the new option. And I'm going to paste my research questions here. And I just simply have to click on the search button. And it will provide me all of the literature review related to these research questions in the form of a proper document. So I'm going to click on the search button here and I have to just wait some moments. But before that, it will ask me some of the filters like, do you want to have structured literature review or you want to have dynamic research assistant? What dynamic research assistant do for you? It will provide you the research gaps related to your area or research questions and how many citations do you need. I'm going to select the maximum citations, which is the 20 number here, and you can select the different databases here, and you can also select the journal quality. I'm going to select all of these journals. And next thing is publication date. You can choose your date according to your research area. I'm not going to select here. And the thing that you have to select is double check citation. It will enable double checking option and it will check whether the citation it's providing you are correct or not. So click this option and you just have to simply submit the search button. And you just have to wait. It will take some moments to complete. The search has been completed and now I got the answer related to my research question. So there are three research questions. What type of cyber harassment a feminist activist has to face, how cyber harassment and abuse affect feminist activists, and what strategies they use to minimize cyber harassment. So if you want to write complete paper here, you can go with the edit with AI option and it will help you to edit all of this document here in answerthis.io website. And if you want to see what kind of answer has been provided, you can simply go down and see, like this was the first research question, types of cyber harassment. These are the cyber harassment and types are here and also provided a citation. You can check this citation here and even you can chat with this paper. Click on the save to library option and online misogyny. Here is the citation and if you click on this one, you will get the paper and you can chat with it. And then sexual entitlement and harassment and discursive activism. These are the options for this research question one. And if you go to the second question, what is the impact of cyber harassment and abuse? You will see these are the literature review. These are the answer that has been provided by the answerthis.io and citation is also there. And if you go for the strategies, you will also see these are the strategies and you will also see the citations here. And at the end, you will see all of the citation in the form of different citation style. You can choose the APA, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, IEEE style. Whatever you want to choose for your paper, you can choose here, and then you can go down and you can download this whole literature view in just simple click by clicking on docs file, or you can copy it, you can download the PDF file. I'm going to click on the doc file, and it will give me all of this information in a Word document form, and I just have to simply make the changes here. If I want to work on Word document, and if I want to work on the same page, I just simply have to go to the chat with this option, edit with AI option. I'm going to click on this one, and it will open the document here. I have to simply make some changes, and then I can submit this work to the journal. So here, as you can see, edit with AI option will help you edit the document here in answer this .io website. And so this was the procedure to get your introduction and literature review within short span of time. I would say within seconds. And the next thing that you will see at the left side is the literature view. This option basically provides you all of the search queries that you have performed so far. Here, like I have performed 18 searches here, and all of these searches are here with the time. You can go back to the any of the search, and you can see what kind of answer that you have got from the answer this.io website. Then there's an option of guide. You can click on this option, and you will see this option will provide you tutorials related to all of the features that this website is currently providing. You can go to any of the option, and you will see how I can best use this website with the help of these tutorials, like what I have to do to get certain kind of results. So next is the AI writer. As I have already explained it, it will help you to write a complete document, research paper, thesis, or dissertation here. You just have to simply click on the edit with AI option, and it will help you to write the complete paper here with the citation. And then there's an option of library. You can go to this option, and you will see the different projects that you have already in your database. Like I was currently on a default project, you can create a new project here, and you can import the different libraries as well. And if you want to delete paper, you can delete here. If you want to delete the whole project, you can click on this option. And then there is an option of search. This option is very useful. Like if I type my search questions here, it will help me to get the search papers related to my research questions. So it will take some moments to fetch the research papers for you, but it will give you all of the available literature related to your search questions, particularly to your research questions. And here I can see there's a one research paper related to these research questions. You can choose one of them to get the better result here. But another good feature of this website is citation map feature, and you can click on this option, and you have to provide a paper DOI number or title here. If you provide that DOI number here, it will help you to find out all the citation and the references are indirect connection of a paper. I'm going to click on the search button here, and it will help me to generate a map. You have to click set as origin, and what it will do, it will create a map for me. And here the blue color shows the citation, the red color shows the references, and this light color shows the indirect connection. And as you can see, these are the all of the papers that are even are cited by or have the references, like paper A references paper B. Citation means paper A is cited by paper B, and then the gray color shows the indirect connection. So this was another feature of this website. So if we could summarize this whole thing, then we will see that the features available on this website is the new one where you can search your questions. Then you have literature review option where you can find out all of the searches, and the same thing you can find out in the project option where you can make a multiple projects, and the same thing you will see in the library option. The AI writer can be used to generate the whole paper or the thesis or dissertation on in answerthis.io website. And if you need any kind of tutorial related to the any feature, you can go to the guide option. So these were the features that were provided by this website. I found it very useful because the citation it provide are real and genuine one. You can even chat with those papers. I hope you have found this video useful. If you think so, please do not forget to subscribe the channel, share this video, like the video, share it with your friends so we can do the introduction and literature part within seconds. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.